I'm going to smoke a duck. The first step what I did was to marinate the duck with some salt and put a little bit sugar. Leave them on for about an hour, then wash them off. Next step is steam the duck. You can see I put some green onions and some rosemary in duck, and I'm going to steam the duck for probably around an hour. Okay, the duck was steamed for about an hour, and here it is. And now I'm going to use this brand new electric smoker to smoke this duck. I used this heavy-duty aluminum foil, made a pan because I think there will be oil drip down, so this will catch oil, and I leave enough space here to have smoke goes up. This is a pan. I put some avocado tree branches here to generate the smoke, and these tree branches is from that avocado tree over there. I took out this water pan because I don't think I need it, and pretty soon I'm going to spray some brown sugar solution on top of the duck to make it golden color. Let's give it a try. I set the temperature to close to second highest bar here, and I'm going to watch temperature here and see what the temperature I will get. Probably my guess is I will try to use around the 300. This is a brown sugar solution. I'm going to apply this on duck. Got the smoke in a few minutes after I started. Right now the temperature is around let's say 250. I will wait a little while, see if I needed to set the power over there a little bit higher. It's looking really good. Here's the end result. Looks really nice. It's quite look like Beijing duck.